Here in Vivado, I have designed a simple LED push button where I have implemented 3 GPIO port named as LEDs, buttons and switches, and a VRAM block for temporary memory storage, and the Zinc processing system 7020. So after that, I have exported 3 files into my Jupyter Notebook where this is uploaded, which is being called as the .bit file, .hardware handoff, and the .tcl file. So my PYNQ profile is being connected to my laptop through a Ethernet port, and I have set a static IP here. So then I have opened a notebook where I have implemented simple LED push button. This is not working yet. So yeah, first we need to load the .bit file as an overlay. So then we need to know what's the name of our IP block. So from here we can see this, and our memory blocks are the VRAM, which we set there, and the built-in processing system DDR-RAM. So then we have implemented this simple LED push button code via the low level and the high level. So for the low level we need to know the register map. So we can see the tri-state, which actually set the input or output and the data to write the value. So here we implemented the low level part, which basically first read the button value and then set the tri-state to 0 for the output and then write the actual value. So here we can see it is working. Okay, then we actually did the same thing via the hardware high level. So here one thing must be noted down, because the set direction, the built-in XIO port is actually failing. So I need to bypass this via memory mapped input output. So again we run this code, and I've added a extra functionality, this switch read. So if I press this, it will not work. If I just switch this on and do this, it will work, as we are seeing. Okay, then I have also added the functionality of the VRAM, where I actually first write a certain value to our VRAM, then we can read this. So yeah, it is also working. That's it.